guys, today we are back to school shopping at Dollar Tree and at Walmart. I'm gonna tell you the deals that are $1 and less, where to get everything. This is also a free printable for you guys so you can score big. This stuff is so cute and I'm so excited. And yes, that's a bunch of pool noodles in the back. So that's a future video. Hey guys, we're at Dollar Tree and it's time to hit up the back to school shopping. I love these little sequin pouches for just $1. They are so cute. These three are the ones I'd recommend. They are so high quality. Definitely scoop these up. They're gonna sell out fast. All right, do you guys want an amazing tip? Pens here can be totally hit or miss. You're gonna go on the Dollar Tree website and the pens will be reviewed. So you're gonna find the 5-star pen reviews. The ink ones are super well reviewed, super score that you're actually going to love. So when you're buying these, steer clear of these guys. They are not gonna last, but these soft ones, they're gonna last. This is so cute, look at this. These folders are awesome if you want longevity. Anything that's plastic, I used to buy these for my students and they would last all year long. This one is also awesome. It's got a little zipper on the front of it. Some of my favorite organizing containers are back, and that's these. They also have these, which are awesome for folders. They fit perfectly inside and again, make really great locker essentials. These are a killer deal, 2 for $1, and because they're like name brand characters, they're gonna sell out really fast, so scoop these up. Guys, these are a name brand Westcott scissor. These retail for like $5–6 in other stores. This is a phenomenal deal, great for kids. Midway through the school year, buy your glue at Dollar Tree. Now you're gonna wanna pick up your glue at Target or Walmart. It is cheaper than $1. Teacher approved, incredible score. These are $1 for 2 sharpeners. You guys, they have bath bombs. Back to school is stressful. I think I'm gonna put some of this in the giveaway. We totally need to get some of these. Guys, don't buy any of this stuff at the dollar store. These leak and they just do not have the longevity. These condiment cups are a lunch packing essential. Keep them in your cabinet for putting dressings and dips inside. If you got a kid that walks to school or even has to wait at a bus stop, buy one of these and stick them in their backpack. They will thank you later. They're only $1. We're in Wally World! Scissors are more expensive, way better deal at the Dollar Tree. The glue, however, this is where you want to get it, is from Walmart. This whole pack is just $3.92. You get 2 of these for $1. All right, 48 cents for a pack of pink erasers. Yep, that's a score. I told you this is cheaper. These are just 50 cents here. So these are only 50 cents a piece, which is exactly what Carson needs. But look at Walmart's prices on these notebooks. These are $1.96. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. And even some of the composition notebooks that are really cute are over $2. These paper pocket folders are $2.47 at Walmart, and you get 2 for $1 from Dollar Tree. So this is not a deal. You're gonna pay a little more for these binders, but it is totally worth it. Have you ever walked down the aisle and thought, how am I supposed to choose a brand of pencil? At Walmart, I'm ending your search. This is the best pencil, I promise you. These last forever and write beautifully. This is the one that your kids are gonna want, especially if they're learning how to write. These pencil boxes are just 97 cents. This is a better deal than Dollar Tree. But check these out. They have these book bins. This is $9.97 for a pack. Dollar Tree sells something almost exactly identical for $1 each. So those are a pass. This is stinking adorable though. Just $12.84 for a planner pack. Ooh, that is really cute. All right guys, we're doing a giveaway. I gotta do it. We totally cleaned up with this back to school situation. If you want to enter in the giveaway to win all of these wonderful things you saw featured in this video, I will ship anywhere in the world. You leave a comment down below and let me know who is going back to school. I love you guys. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so I can see you in the next video. Bye. How do I always get the wonky cart every time? Don't forget to download your printable, guys. Dimers don't let other dimers pay full price.